This app right here was created using AI, and this app right now, it's already on Google Play Store, and Google AdMob ads are running on this app. The person that's owned this app is literally any money from Google AdMob right here. Take a look at it. So if you integrate Google AdMob ad into the app, you will be any money from Google AdMob right here, and Google AdMob will pay you advertising other people's videos inside your app that you created using AI just for free. So this specific app right here, I will show you how you can create the app, and I will also show you how you can upload the app on Google Play Store. Now, this particular app is just for iPhone rigging tools on Android. So all the iPhone rigging tools, which is all the sound, this app can literally gather all of them and then go ahead and make use of all the iPhone reggaeton inside an Android phone. That is just the work of this particular iPhone reggaeton app right here. And video ads just like this will be displaying right here if you integrate Google AdMob. So just as this particular Google ad is displaying right here just as video, the person that literally owns this app is literally getting paid from Google AdMob. And I showed you earlier how much Google AdMob pays per 1,000 views right here. Okay, so this is the app right now. A lot of legal tools are available for you to use, and everything right here is totally free.
So if you're just coming across my video at the first time, I am Welly, and the video that you're about to watch right here is just what I'm doing. So smash that subscribe button, follow and like this video. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Say hi, Welly. Let's get started.
And then head over to this place. Make sure you are on Pro, or probably you are just on 3.5 Pro. Then make sure you paste this specific prompt right here and then go ahead and edit the name of this right here to a specific name of the app right here that you are about to create. And then go ahead and click on submit right here and wait for Google Gemini to literally do it to us right here. This is what we want right here, where it says yes but it's legally no. And then you can see it said yes, you can absolutely build it 100% functional app. Okay, so now go ahead and paste another, and then on this prompt go ahead and edit the name of this particular template and add the name of the app right here that you are building just like this. Then go ahead and click on this place right here where it says submit and wait for Gemini AI to do its work. After then, go ahead and hit on copy right here. This Gemini AI have created the prompt for you. Head over to a new tab and go ahead and search for Stitch. So make sure you are on this place where it says app, and then make sure you select a specific model of your choice. So go ahead and paste this prompt right here, the prompt that Gemini AI generated for you. Go ahead and click on generate right here. Wait for Stitch AI to create UI/UX. After Stitch AI have designed the UI/UX design for you, go ahead and highlight everything just like this, and then go ahead and click on export right here on this place. Then head over to this place, make sure it is on AI Studio, and then click on build with AI Studio right here. It will take you straight to a new page, which is a new tab right here, and then head over straight to the Stitch AI. Go ahead and also highlight everything. Click on export again. In this case, you just have to go ahead and select zip file. Then go ahead and click on export to zip file right here. Then go straight back to the Google AI Studio, download the only just the .html file just like this right here. Okay, so download them one by one just like so I'm downloading my own right here. After then, head over to Gemini AI just like this, and then go ahead and click on this plus icon, and then click on upload file right here. Go ahead and locate all the download folder right here except this zip file. So go ahead and import them straight to this Gemini AI. Then head over to this place and paste this prompt right here on this on screen right now. So don't worry about the prompt. Go ahead and visit this video on YouTube. Then on the description you will find a link to see all the prompts that I'm using right here in this video. So go straight to this my profile. There's a link to my YouTube channel right there. Then head over to this place and click on sub. While Gemini AI is doing its work right now, so we just have to go ahead and visit the particular folder right here that we downloaded just like zip. So unzip this folder right here, and then here it is. You can just go ahead and edit it to the part. After then, you can just go ahead and delete this zip file just like this, and then go ahead and select all this particular .html file, copy them straight to the folder. So do them just accordingly just like this. So head over straight to the Gemini AI, and then DC Gemini AI have created. Then head over to your antigavity AI just like this. Then head over to this place where it says file, click on it, then click on new window on this place, then just and click on open folder right here. It will take you straight direct to your folder. Locate the folder in the download folder right here, which is this. Then click on it right now and click on send. So in this place right here, go ahead and paste the prompt right now on this place. Then before you go ahead and hit on this place, go ahead and drag and drop all this .html file straight inside this place right now, so that this AI agent will know what to do. So do them one by one and make sure all the .html file are literally available right here. After then, head over to this place and click on send. So this is right here. Antigavity is here to work. It is generating everything, and then we just have to give it a while so that Antigavity AI can create this app for us. After you have previewed the app and check everything inside the app that the app is literally working really good, let's go ahead and add some video ads so that advertisement will be showing inside the app. So to do that, head over to your Chrome browser and then go ahead and search for AdMob. So Google AdMob right here showing on this your screen. Then just go ahead and click on sign in right here. Then click on no right here, and then you just have to select the country that you are on this place. So there are a lot of country available right here. Okay, so next thing, you just have to go ahead and click on I have agreed and read to the terms and conditions. Then you just have to go ahead and click on start using AdMob. So what you just have to do, just for you to go ahead and verify your profile, make it look like this right here, just as my own right here is literally verified and my address is also verified completed. Now head over to this place where it says app right here, and then just go ahead and click on add app right here. Then if you are building Android app, click on this place right here, or if you are building iOS, click on this place. So now just go ahead and click on no right here, because my app, this particular app, is not yet on Google Play Store. But if you have posted the app on Google Play Store, click on yes. Okay, so just go ahead and click on continue, and then put in the name of the app right here. Then you click on add app, click on done right here, and click on add ads unit. So when you click on it, you will find all the ad units available right here. So there are a lot of them right now available right here, showing on this screen right here. So add each of them just by clicking on select on this place. Then just go ahead and give it a name, and then you just have to go ahead and leave this on tick. Then just go ahead and click on create ad unit right here. So go ahead and copy all this instruction available right here, and then make sure all these ones right here is literally copy and lock side. Then you click on done right here on this place, and then take everything straight to Antigavity, and then just go ahead and paste this prompt right here. Make sure you go ahead and edit this right here. Anywhere that you see ad unit, go ahead and paste the ad unit right here. Do them one by one, just like this. So I will drop this particular prompt on my YouTube video description. So just go straight to this my profile, go ahead and watch this video on YouTube, and then you will find a way to get all these prompts right here. Go ahead and click on done. It will take you straight back to the ad unit again. Then go ahead and also click on add unit, and then you go ahead and select another ad unit right here on this place right now. So give it a name again, and then you just go ahead and click on create ad unit. Then go ahead and copy everything right here one by one, just like this. Then head over to the Antigavity again. Go ahead and paste it right here on this prompt again, just like as I'm doing it right now. Remove the one that is on it right here. Then go ahead and paste the one that you literally copy. So do them accordingly right here, just as I'm doing it right now. Make sure you do that correctly, don't make mistake. After then, you go ahead and click on send. So video ads will be integrated right here on the app. After then, you just have to go ahead and post the app on Google Play Store. So to do that, head over to Chrome browser again and search for Google Play Store right here, just as it is right here, which is Google Play Console. If you find yourself right here, you just have to go ahead and create an account. So you just have to go ahead and click on get started right here. If you are clicking on get started right here, just know that you are not creating a business account, you are creating a personal account. So if you are clicking on get started right here, organization account, you literally know that here you are just creating a business or a company account. So the different are real. So if you literally want to be using organizational accounts on this particular place right here, I will actually advise you to use organizational account, but there are some other things that you literally need to implement, which is the DOS number and a business profile in your country. So to create a DOS number, which is DUNS number, is literally free, and I can help you to do that, but you will only pay for my time. Now, if you are creating a personal account on this place, just know that you just have to pay 25 USDT, and then you still need self tester right here. So this is right here. When you click on it, this is whatever you need right here on this place, so that you can get your Google Console account available for you to post app on Google Play Store. So head over to YouTube. There are a lot of video tutorial about this Google console and how you can post app on Google Play Store. So go ahead and watch them, because I will not have that much time to literally be guiding you through step by step on how to do this, because it's literally a long process. Okay, so if you literally want to book my session on this, I'm available right here.
Now that you have literally watched this video to this point, I literally want to end this video right here. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Peace out.